The next option from the math tool is the functional graph. So if you are tapping on the functional graph, you can see the option here. Okay, in the function graph, you can see the f of x value is here. Click on that, this option will come. What you can do, you can create a function. Okay, as for an example, just I have given this value. You can see that a function graph has been plotted. Okay, with the help of this tool, what we can do after giving the function, that function graph will be plotted. So here you can see a camera symbol. If you are tapping on that camera symbol, what happens is that it will take a screenshot and it will get redirected to the sense board itself. Now you can see the functional graph. And now with the help of the pen tool, what you can do, you can annotate and you can teach them. Okay, if you want to annotate it onto the function graph that I have taken, you can annotate it and you can teach. Okay, so the next tool is from the maths, the next tool is the coordinate system. In the similar way to the functional graph, what you can do, you can also plot the graph using the coordinate system. Okay, you can give the value and you can plot the coordinate system accordingly. The next option is the math recognition. Okay, what all equations that you are giving. For example, if I want to calculate 2 plus 2 equal to, okay, it will recognize what I have written and it will calculate the value for you. Okay, if I want to write 3 plus 4 square, okay, you can see that it has converted to the text and it has given me the solution. And to erase that, just strike like this, and that whatever you have written, it will get released. Or you can do, for example, if I am writing 2 square plus 4 square, you can see the answer as 20. And if I want to copy this, okay, the solution, the question along with the solution, if I want to copy to the sense board, what I can do, I can tap on this button, and right now you can see that what I have written, it is easily copied to the sense board. Okay, so with the help of the math recognition, you can give the input. Any question you can give the input and it will give the answer to you. So the next option is from the maths tool, the next option is the table control. The table control means it basically creates a table for you. So you can see rows and columns, and from here one edit option is there. When you are tapping on that, you can add any number of rows and columns. Okay, you can see, and also you can see a double arrow. Okay, double arrow means you can adjust the length, okay, of the row and column. You can decrease or increase the length of the column. And with the help of the pen tool, what you can do, you can mark on this. For example, this is the purchase, this is the date, this is the expenses. What you can do, you can use accordingly. Okay, so that is the table control. Next one is the math solver. Okay, math recognition and math solver both does the same job, but math solver means, now you can see we have given a set of equations and set of tools that already is here, and according to that you can give the values. Okay, for example, I am giving 20, 15 and 5. Okay, I have given the value to the quadratic formula here. If I am tapping on calculate, what happens, the values that I have given, it will just calculate for you. Okay, you can see it has just calculated that question for you. Okay, in the similar way, copy to board. If I am tapping on copy to board, now you can see I have copied the question along with the answer onto the corresponding sense board. Okay, so math recognition means you are giving the questions. Okay, you are giving the input, you are writing the input, and the system is providing you with the answers. For deleting, just strike, it will get deleted. And what the math solver does is that, okay, you can see a set of different factoring, synthetic division, rational root related to the mathematics. Some of the functions are given here and you can give the values. Okay, by giving the values here, calculate, it will calculate for you based on that. Okay, in the similar way, in the geometry also, when you are giving the value, it will calculate accordingly. Okay, so these are the maths tool. Okay, in the subjects physics and chemistry, we are providing with the laboratory tools, and also in the maths we are providing with some equipments and also the recognition and the math solver. Okay, these are the tools that related to the subjects.